Hello learners, how are you all? I hope you're all doing good. A hearty welcome to all of you people to Yashas Academy's YouTube channel. I remember sharing this news with all of you people that there's a bank whose license has been cancelled by RBI. Do you remember coming across this news? It was about this bank. Yeah, Sarojirao Dada Nayak Sirala Sakari Bank Limited of Pune. Yeah, the moment I read this news, what kept me interesting is I also have an account with couple of banks, one of it being not very familiar famous private sector bank. So I was afraid about what if the bank where I have kept my money also goes into this phase where RBI cancels its license. I wanted to be knowing as to what will happen to the depositors and their money into this bank. So I went on to Google search. Let's see. So this is about Sarojirao Dada. Okay, Sarojirao Dada Nayak Bank. Okay, it's in a lot of news. Let's read this. This is an article from Economic Times. Let's see what will happen to this bank's depositors. RBI on Wednesday cancelled the license of Sarojirao Dada Nayak Shirala Sakari Bank, Sangli, Maharashtra. Ouch. Yeah, as it did not have adequate capital and earning prospects. With cancellation of the license, it has ceased to carry banking business. Oh my god. Okay, fine. The Commissioner of Corporation of Registrar of Societies Maharashtra has also been requested to issue an order of winding up. So the liquidator will be appointed very soon. On too many ads. On liquidation of every depositor will be entitled to receive deposit insurance claim of ISORA deposits up to 5 lakh rupees. So if there are teeny tiny deposits like me and you, and if we have deposited any money in the bank which will lose its banking license, are we going to lose our money? No. DICGC, Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, will come to our savior and help us get our deposits back up to 5 lakh rupees. What if you have more than 5 lakh? Then gone. Up to 5 lakh, you'll get the insurance claim. Now let us go down to see DICGC and see what does DICGC do. This is the official website of Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation. Oh, here we have attention, deposit of specified cooperative banks will be making payments. DICGC will be making payments to all the eligible deposit holders provided you have completed your KYC norms. So this is the list of banks which are going into winding up and it's unable to pay its depositors, and all the account holders of these these banks, all the depositors of these banks will get back the money up to 5 lakhs. Now, is this the only thing that Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation do? No, there is some part of our syllabus which also refers to DICGC. CA Inter Advanced Accounting Syllabus mein you have the topic of DICGC. Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation doesn't just give deposit insurance to the deposit holders but also give guarantee on the credit given by the bank to somebody else. You get this? Yeah, come on. So let us see what part of the syllabus talks about this. So this is with regard to the services given by the bank. Yeah, the provisions that is being to be made by the bank for the advances that is lent by the bank, which is covered with ECGC, that is Export Credit Guarantee Corporation, or our DICGC cover. Before we go any further ahead into this DICGC cover and computation of provision with regard to DICGC cover, come on, let's quickly see some announcement. This is with regard to Electrify with Yashas, a fast track revision batch for all the aspirants for writing their examinations in the month of May 2022. Yes, this batch is going to be 100% English batch, not a comprehensive one, but yet a fast track revision one. This batch is starting on 9th of March for Group 1 and 8th of March for Group 2. Group 2 classes will happen in the morning, whereas Group 1 classes will be in the afternoon. So you get to learn from Ravikant Miriala sir for accounting standards. I will be handling your entire Group 1 and Group 2 accounts, Group 1 accounts and Group 2 advanced accounting. Karthik Iyer sir will help you with law and audit. Saurabh Mutha sir will help you with taxation, and Dhananjay Bhave sir will help you with costing and financial management in Group 2. And you get to learn from Meeta Mangal ma'am for strategic management, Shandar Ahmad sir for economic finance, and EIS will be handled by Murugesh Madlani sir. What are you waiting for? Take up Unacademy subscription today and help us to help you in your CA Inter preparations. The great news with regard to the discounts is that Other than the usual 10% discount that you get by using the code YESHES, you will get additional 10% discount because there is price drop on Unacademy subscription between March 3rd and March 5th. Use the benefit to the utmost possibility, take up the subscription, and you know the advantages that you get live interactive classes, you get unlimited recorded lectures, you can access all the educators notes with one single subscription. Our classes are structured and you get to solve all your doubts once every 4 sessions in a dedicated session. However, we take all the doubts on a day-to-day basis, and practice and mock tests, which are very important in your exam preparations, are also available. So what are you waiting for? Take up subscription at the cost of 11,900 for 3 months, 14,900 for 6 months, 18,900 for 12 months, and 21,500 for 18 months, and 21,500 for 24 months. You also have Iconic subscription, which gives you benefit of one-to-one learning, printed notes at your doorstep, get to be part of Discord not discussion channel, and sessions to be handled by industrial experts, and quite a lot of other benefits. And don't forget to use the code YESHES for 10% discount, and if you take up the subscription between 3rd and 5th of March, you get additional 10% discount because of the price drop that's running right now. So as I just mentioned, the options available to you people for taking up Plus subscription or Iconic subscription. Come on, let's now get back to our provisioning. How exactly does a bank do provisioning if the advance given by the bank is covered by deposit insurance or credit guarantee corporation kind insurance? Basically, we're talking about the credit guarantee part of, I would say, a DICGC here. Now, whenever the bank has given an advance to somebody, it has to create provision on that to deal with the scenario of what if that person doesn't return the money. However, such an advance, if it is covered by the guarantee given by DICGC or ECGC, so much portion you would have to trust and you shouldn't be creating any provision on that part. However, EICGC or DCGC cover, whatever is given, it will usually be given as a percentage of the advance given, 30%, 40%, 50%. For instance, if I've lent 100 lakhs as advance to somebody, that is basically a crore, and DICGC cover is 50%. I will not say 100 lakhs minus 50 lakhs DICGC cover, on the balance 50 lakhs I'll create provision. No. I would have to first eliminate the secured portion out of the advance given. On the balance, I would have to eliminate the percentage of DICGC cover, and other than the secured portion, other than the guaranteed portion by DICGC, will become my unsecured portion on which I'll apply the unsecured percentage of provision. Let's quickly see how it's done. So you basically start with the loan or advance that the bank has given. In this chapter, you're doing it from the perspective of the banker. You remember that, yeah? And percentage of the the realizable value of the security that you held at the time of giving the advance will be deducted. And on this part, you will compute the provision as a percentage that is usually applicable for the secured portion. And on the unsecured balance, a percentage of it will be eliminated on which no provision has to be made, because this is guaranteed by DICGC, Deposit Insurance or Credit Guarantee Corporation, or Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. And whatever remains is the unsecured balance on which you will compute percentage of provision and unsecured. So to the extent the loan or advance is the realizable value of the securities held, you create X% of secured portion, and to the extent it is not secured, on this you compute the percentage of unsecured balance provision. I hope it was helpful to you people, and this is part of your CA Inter Advanced Accounting syllabus. Hoping to see you all in our fast track revision batch and to help you people in your CA Inter May 2022 examination preparation. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe this YESHES Academy's YouTube channel. We'll be very soon coming back with quite a lot of events that's happening in our day-to-day life, which is completely relevant and in touch with our CA Inter, CA Foundation as well as other parts of our syllabus. Bye bye, take care and stay in the game.